Oh my goodness. Best gift ever. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Let me just say thank you because y'all be looking out for me. Elite Doll World on Etsy sent us a gift. This is an Etsy shop where I love to buy mix and match pieces for my 1/6 scale dolls and my smart dolls. When I saw that she was now making Labubu clothes and I couldn't find a Labubu, there was a lot of screaming when I opened this box. We got some Elite Doll World Labubu Fashion and Labubus. Oh my goodness, finally! We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Labubus. Wow, thank you. I have been wanting a Labubu. I tried to make one using stuff from the dollar store and a little hot glue. I got Lababies from Five Below. Did I get a Lafufu? Yes, I did. Then I DIY'd some La-Dorables. So this is my first actual Labubu. On the front of the box, it says Exciting Macaron, the Monsters. There's an illustration of a Labubu. On the side, we can see the different Labubus available in this series. There is soy milk, lychee berry, green grape, sea salt coconut, toffee, and sesame bean. And there's a secret edition Labubu as well. Let's pull the tab at the top and open the box. Take out the bag, which has an illustration of all the Labubus. Let's open it to see our first one. And we have Toffee. It's a taupe color. The head can turn. We have the ribbon and ring at the top, so we can attach it to a bag. It has a vinyl face, a plush body, little hands and feet, and there is some posability. Look at that. You can bring the little arms in. You can open them up. They are around the same size as a Disney Doorables Adorbs. In the box, we also get a little tag of an illustration of the character. Let's open the other ones. But do you see all these cute little Labubus on the side of the box? Can we cut them out? Let's put a little hole in the top and cover it with clear nail polish. Add a jump ring to make a small charm we can put on a doll purse. So the dolls can rock a Labubu too. Let's open the next one, and you can see the secret edition one right here in the center. And this Labubu is Sesame Bean. This one is gray with a little gray nose. We got another tag, and now we have 2. Let's open the next one, which is Sea Salt Coconut. This one's a pale blue with a matching illustration. And then our 4th Labubu is, drumroll please. Oh, we don't have a drum roll? Okay, well, we'll just open it to reveal Lychee Berry or Lychee Berry. Ooh, it's a pretty pinkish color. I have a bag that this might match. I picked it up at Ross. I thought it had a cute little Barbie vibe. It was like $20. And yeah, it's kind of the perfect color. And of course, we got the little cutout. Opening box number 5 with... Is that the green one? Yes, it's green grape. It's kind of like a mossy green color. I do like green. And we could totally rock it on the bag as well. Because, you know, pink goes good with green. Or we could totally do both and name them Glinda and Elphaba. And our 6th and last one is Soy Milk. This one is a cream color and completes our collection. Now let's dress them. Ooh, and we got some goodies. We have shirts, shorts, and visors. I think we should get them dressed feet first and get their little hands through the sleeves. This one's wearing a little graphic tee that says Moody, and then it says 7 a.m. It's a great fit. There is no opening in the back. Everything is hemmed and super neat. It looks like the same quality that we see with our doll fashion. The denim shorts feel like denim and they're rolled at the bottom. We have an elastic waistband. I love how neat the stitching is on the inside. Let's put them on the Labubu. Oh, it's so cute! It's like a little teen wolf. Then we can add the matching visor for those sunny days. She gave us some shoes. We got a tie Labubu shoes, y'all. And here's the look. Treating Labubus like fashion dolls? Kinda love it. I put the coffee t-shirt on soy milk. It felt kind of on theme. Paired with the darker blue shorts and matching hat. Let's do the black sneakers and just tuck the laces into the pants. And this Labubu is ready to go. Let's pair this pink shirt with these overalls with ivory colored straps. This might be a look for Glinda. The shoulder straps on the overalls are sewn in place and they have little gold buckles. It's still pretty easy to get on. And it's cute! We have a black t-shirt and overalls with green straps. You know what that means. Our little Elphaba has an outfit too. Twinning. Here's a red shirt with denim overalls and brown straps. Then we have a ribbed top with light denim overalls and brown straps. Here we have a few sweaters. They're ribbed, and we have a matching hat and an accessory. Let's get soy milk dressed. I think the sweater can be worn solo, or we can add the shorts. Here it is with the hat. This color is called Vintage Coral, and this color is Sand. I just noticed that this Labubu shirt is made out of the same material as the shirt my smart doll is currently wearing. So they can match. Our 1/6 scale dolls are feeling a little left out, so I did pick up these pink flannel shorts. I thought they were super cute pajamas, and I took advantage of a sale and picked up this plaid gray flannel skirt. And there's another gift, 3D resin printed shoes, which we do have to be careful with because they can be fragile. But here they are on a classic made-to-move Barbie body, and wow, these shoes are tall, so they're gonna add a little height to the doll, but totally a fun way to dress up a pair of jeans and a shirt. In addition to pink, there are different colors like yellow and white. Here's a pair in mint in a different design. We got a soft baby blue in a classic pump. Kinda love that. And they're shiny. And here they are in lavender. In the description, it does say that you can use tacky to help keep them secure. Very cute shoes. I think there are some possibilities for customizing there. This was definitely a happy mail day. The Labubus were such an amazing gift, and dressing them is going to be so much fun. Thank you for joining us while we checked out a few things from Elite Doll World and opened a few Labubus. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time.